Hi, good morning. My name is Reynaldo Aguiar. It is Wednesday, June 11th, 2025, and the time is about 8:18 p.m. Central Time. I am making this recording to explain a software system I created called the KOL vaccine. I developed it between 2020 and 2022 to counter a specific type of online attack being performed against my work by a coalition of entities, Liana Technologies, Akamai, and Wikipedia. The signature attack they use is called a CTR attack. In simple terms, they use bots to issue millions of search queries on Google. When the target website, my website for instance, appears in the results, their bots never click on it. Instead, they click on fake, lower-ranking websites. By repeating this millions of times from hundreds of countries, they trick the search engine's algorithm into believing the target website is low quality. The site is then demoted and eventually removed from search results entirely. The KOL vaccine is a platform that renders this method of attack completely ineffective. I cannot go into the technical details of how it works in this forum, but I can say that to build it, I had to reverse engineer what I call the FSB's fake web news machine. I will be giving the code for this system to the FBI as it will be useful for understanding how this global disinformation apparatus works. This is why they have escalated their attacks against me since 2020. Their power depends on this fake news machine. With it, they can place and replace presidents and entire governments, silence dissent, and crush any competition. I feel I must provide one concrete example of how they use this system to manufacture political reality. I do not make political statements, but I will state facts that are verifiable. If you look at the 2016 presidential debates, specifically the Republican primary, there were heated arguments and personal attacks between the three main participants. This is a well-known fact. Another fact is that all three of those individuals are marked in the Geo Index with high paramilitary scores, with some markers dating back more than a decade. The data indicates that when that debate took place, all three of them were already working together towards a common goal. The public arguments were for show, designed to create the illusion of choice for a population that has none in their version of the world. This is the same tactic used in the supposedly hostile takeover of Twitter by Elon Musk. It is a manufactured confrontation. The KOL vaccine began as a tool to counter these online attacks, but I have since expanded its scope to counter real-world attacks and eavesdropping attempts. It is the system I now often refer to as the spy hell pipeline. Thank you.